Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss exercise problems based on arithmetic progression. So the second exercise number 5.2. In this exercise, the first main, fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and Tn the nth term of the AP. So once again I will repeat. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and An is the nth term of the AP. So the first example, A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8. Find An is equal to how much? So find An or Tn, both are same. Solution. So already we know that the formula. How to find nth term of an AP? So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula to find the nth term of an AP. So Tn we don't know, right, as it is. Tn and An both are same. Don't confuse. Tn and An both are same. Tn is equal to A is the first term. They are given 7 and N is also given 8 minus 1 and D is also given in the question 3. D is equal to 3. So Tn is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 into 3. So Tn is equal to 7 plus 7 3 is 21. So Tn is equal to 28. So your answer is 28. And second example. Here A is equal to minus 18. D don't know. N is equal to 10. And Tn is equal to 0. Tn or An both are same. An is equal to 0. So here also same formula. Already we know that the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula to find the nth term of an AP. But here Tn they have given. Tn is 0. And A is also given minus 18. Plus n is also given 10. Minus 1. D don't know, right, as it is. We have to find the value of D here. So 0 minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 is 9D. 9. 10 minus 1 9 into D 9D. So minus 18 moves to the left hand side, become plus 18. 0 plus 18 become 18 and 9D right as it is. In right hand side, write 9D as it is. 9 1s are 9 2s are. So the value of D is 2. D is equal to 2. The next third one. A don't know. We have to find the value of A here. So D is equal to minus 3. N is equal to 18 and An is equal to minus 5. So again we have to use the same formula here. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So given that Tn is given minus 5. A don't know as it is. And N is given 18 minus 1 and D is also given minus 3. So minus 5 as it is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 17. 17 3 is 51, but here minus is there, so minus 51. Next minus 5 A plus into minus minus 51, and this minus 51 moves to left hand side, become plus 51. Minus 5 plus 51 is equal to A. 51 minus 5 is 46. A is equal to 46. So your answer is 46. The next fourth one. A is equal to minus 18.9. D is equal to 2.5. N don't know. We have to find the value of N. And An is 3.6. So again we have to use the same formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn is given 3.6. Right, Tn is 3.6. And A is also given minus 18.9. Plus n we don't know, right, as it is. N minus 1 and D is 2.5. So now this 18.9 moves to the left hand side, become plus 18.9. 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to n minus 1 as it is into 2.5 is also as it is. So here 18.9 plus 3.6 is 3.6. 9 plus 6 15. 8 plus 4 12. 1 plus 1 2. 22.5. 22.5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. So here into 2.5 moves to the left hand side, become divided by 2.5. Divided by 2.5 is equal to n minus 1. So point get cancel here, because after a one digit point is there, so after one digit point is there, point get cancelled, so it become 25 and it become 225. 25 ones are 25 nines are 225. So 9 is equal to n minus 1, and this minus 1 again moves to left hand side, become plus 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to n, therefore n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. This is your answer. Next fifth one. A is 3.5, D is 0, and n is 105. So find Tn. So we have to find the value of Tn here. So we know the formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn is equal to, A is given 3.5 plus n is also given 105 minus 1, and D is also given 0. So Tn is equal to 3.5 plus 100 minus 1 is 104 into 0. So Tn is equal to, we know that 0 into any number is 0. So 104 into 0 become 0. 3.5 plus 0 is 3.5. So your nth term of an AP is 3.5. Okay, next exercise number 5.2, second main. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So once again I will repeat second main. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So the first question, 30th term of an AP, 30th term of an AP, 10, 7, 4, so on is option A 97, option B 77, option C minus 77, option D minus 87. Given that A is equal to 10, D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3, and n is equal to 30. We have to find Tn is equal to how much? So here we have to find the 30th term. T30th is equal to how much? We know the formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn, don't know, write as it is. Tn is equal to, A means 10 plus n is how much? 30. N is 30. 30 minus 1. D is how much? Minus 3. So Tn is equal to 10 plus 30 minus 9. 30 minus 1, 29 into minus 3. So Tn is equal to 10 plus into minus, minus 29 3 is 87. So Tn is equal to 10 minus 87 is minus 77. So option C is the correct answer. C is equal to minus 77. So 30th term of an AP is minus 77. T30 is equal to minus 77. The next, second one. 11th term of the AP, 11th term of the AP, minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2, so on is option A 28, option B 22, option C minus 38, option D minus 48 and half, minus 48 and half. So see here first term they have given, common difference is also given, and the nth term is also given. So we have to find the nth term. N is given, we have to find the nth term, that is given that. So first write the given that A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1, minus of minus. So minus 1 by 2, minus into minus, plus 3. So in the denominator here 1. So the LCM is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 1, 2s are minus 1 ones are minus 1, plus 3 2s are 6, minus 1 plus 6 is 5 by 2. So the common difference is 5 by 2, and n is equal to 11. N is equal to 11. We have to find the nth term. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula to find a nth term of an AP but n is 11 here. So T11 is equal to A is minus 3 plus n means 11 minus 1 and D is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So T11 is equal to minus 3 as it is plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into 5 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. T11 is equal to minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 3 is 22. So T11 is equal to 22. Option B is the correct answer. And next exercise number 5.2, third main. In the following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. So once again I will repeat the third main. In the following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. So the first example, 2 missing term 26. Here we have to find the second term. It is in an AP and here the first term is 2, second term don't know, and third term is 26. But we know that how to find common difference. Common difference is nothing but it is difference between any two consecutive term of an AP, means T1, T2, T2, T3. So T2 minus T1 and T3 minus T2 is nothing but common difference. T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. But we don't know the second term. Let us imagine that the second term is X. So T2 is X minus T1 is 2 is equal to T3 is 26 minus T2 is X. And now constants one side and variables one side. This here also is X and here also minus X. So the right hand side minus X moves to left hand side, become plus X. X plus X. And here the constant minus 2 moves to right hand side, become plus 2. So X plus X, 2X is equal to 26 plus 2, 28. 2 1s are 2 14s are. So X is equal to 14. And the missing term of this AP is 14. 2. So the missing term is 14. 26 is your answer. The next second example. First term missing term, don't know first term. And second term they have given 13. Third term is also missing and fourth term is 3. So here we have to find the first term and the third term of an AP, but we know T2 and T4. So T2 is equal to 13 and T4 is equal to 3. T4 is equal to 3. But we know that how to find the second term of an AP, that is A plus D is equal to 13. And how to find the fourth term of an AP, A plus 3D is equal to 3. We know that T2 is A plus D and T4 is A plus 3D. So here this is called equation number 1 and this is called equation number 2. From equation number 1, A is equal to 13 minus D. A is equal to 13 minus D. Now put A value in equation number 2. In equation number 2. See, A value is 13 minus D. We have to put this value in equation number 2. So the equation number 2 become, A means what? 13 minus D. 13 minus D plus 3D is equal to 3. So D and 3D are the like terms. So add minus D plus 3D is plus 2D is equal to 3. Now a constants one side and variables one side. 2D is equal to 3 and plus 13 moves to the right hand side, become minus 13, and 2D is equal to 3 minus 13 is minus 10. 2 1s are 2 5s are. D is equal to minus 5. D is equal to minus 5. Now put D value in equation number 1. Put D value in equation number 1. In equation number 1. So the equation number 1 become A plus D means what? Minus 5 is equal to 13. A, this minus 5 moves to a right hand side, become plus 5. 13 plus 5. So A is equal to 18. A is equal to 18. This is first term. First term is nothing but T1 is equal to A is equal to 18. Then next we have to find the third term. How to find third term? T3 is equal to A plus 2D is the third term. So T3 is equal to, A means already we know the A value. A value is 18 plus 2 into D also we know, that is minus 5. So T3 is equal to 18. 2 5 is a minus 10. So T3 is equal to 18 minus 10 is 8. T3 is equal to 8. Therefore the missing terms are, so the first one 18. Second term they have given 13, and third missing term is 8, and next is 3. This is your answer. Then next, third example. Five. Second term is missing, third term is missing, and fourth term is 9 whole 1 by 2. So here first term a is equal to 5. First term is 5, and a fourth term t4 is equal to 9 whole 1 by 2. So what is t4? T4 is nothing but a plus 3d is equal to 9 whole 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. Convert in terms of improper fraction. 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. 2 9s are 18 plus 1 is 19 by 2. Now we know the value of a. A is how much? 5. 5 plus 3d is equal to 19 by 2. Now transfer 5 to the right hand side. 3d is equal to 19 by 2. Thus plus 5 become minus 5. So here the denominator is 2 and here the denominator is 1. Therefore the LCM is 2 1s are 2. 2 is the LCM, and 2 1s are 2. 1 2s are 2. 19 1s are 19 minus 5 2s are 10. So 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2. 3d is equal to 9 by 2. So 3 1s are 3 3s are. Therefore d is equal to 3 by 2. D is equal to 3 by 2. Then now we have to find the second term and third term of this AP. T2 is equal to a plus d. So we know the value of a. A is 5 plus d is 3 by 2. So here 1. So the LCM is 2, and 1 2s are 2 1s are. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 1s are 3. 13 by 2 is nothing but 2 1s are 2 6s are. 6 whole 1 by 2. So the remainder is 1 here. 2 1s are 2 6s are 12, but 1 is remainder. Therefore the mixed fraction of 13 by 2 is 6 whole 1 by 2. This is second term. And next third term, T3 is equal to a plus 2d. A is there. A is equal to 5. A has given 5 plus 2 into d. We know the d value also 3 by 2. 3 by 2. And 2 to get cancel. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. Therefore the missing term of this AP is 5 and 6 whole 1 by 2 and 8 and 9 whole 1 by 2. And next fourth example, minus 4. Term missing, second term is missing, third term is missing, fourth term is missing, fifth term is also missing, and the last sixth term is 6. Yes, see here. Solution. First term they have given a is equal to minus 4, and last term given t1, t2, t3, t4, t5, t6. t6 is equal to 6. We know that how to find t6. t6 is nothing but a plus pi d is equal to 6. t6 is nothing but a plus pi d. A general form of an arithmetic progression. We know that t1, t2, t3, t4, so on are the general form of an arithmetic progression. Here t1 is nothing but a, t2 is nothing but a plus 2d, a plus d, t3 is a plus 2d, t4 is a plus 3d. Like that the nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore here the t6th term is a plus pi d. And a is given in the example. A is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 5d is equal to 6. Constants one side and variables one side. This minus 4 moves to right hand side, become plus 4. Pi d is equal to 6 plus 4. Pi d is equal to 6 plus 4 is 10. Pi 1s are, pi 2s are. D is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. Now we have to find second term, third term, fourth term, and fifth term of an AP using A and D. Yes, T2 is equal to A plus D. T2 is equal to A plus D. A has given. A is equal to minus 4 plus D is 2. So T2 is minus 2. T2 is minus 2. And next T3, A plus 2D. A is how much? Minus 4 plus 2 into D is 2. Minus 4 plus 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled, 0. Next T4, A plus 3D. T4 is equal to, A is how much? Minus 4 plus 3, D value is 2. So T4 is equal to minus 4 plus 3 2s are 6 So T4 is equal to minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2. And next T5 is equal to A plus 4D. T5 is equal to A value is minus 4 plus 4 into D value is 2. So T5 is equal to minus 4 plus 4 to the 8. T5 is equal to plus 4. Therefore, the missing terms are minus 4 and the T2 is minus 2 and T3 is 0 and T4 is 2 and T5 is 4 and last term they are given, that is 6. So this is your answer. The next fifth one. First term is missing, don't know, and the second term is 38. Third term is missing, don't know. Fourth term is missing. Fifth term is missing, and the sixth term is minus 22. Sixth term is minus 22. So T2 is given. T2 is 38 and T1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. T6 is minus 22. So we know that T2 is nothing but A plus D is equal to 38 and T6 is nothing but A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. It is called equation number 1 and called equation number 2. So from the first equation, A is equal to 38 minus D. A is equal to 38 minus D. This now put A value in equation number 2. In equation number 2. So the equation number 2 become A is nothing but 38 minus D. 38 minus D plus 5D is equal to minus 22. So here 38 moves to right hand side, become minus 38. And here minus D plus 5D is plus 4D is equal to minus 22 minus 38. 4D is equal to minus 22 minus 38 become 30 plus 20 50 minus 60. Minus 60. 4 ones are 4 15s are. D is equal to minus 15. D is equal to minus 15. Now put D value in equation number 1. Put D value in equation number 1. In equation number 1. So the equation number 1 become A plus into minus minus 15 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 plus 15. So A is equal to 38 plus 5 43 plus 10 53. A is equal to 53. Now find the third term. How to find the third term? So the third term of an AP T3 is equal to A plus 2D. T3 is equal to, we know the value of A is 53 plus 2 into D is minus 15. So T3 is equal to 53 as it is, 15 to the minus 30. So T3 is equal to 53 minus 30 is 23. So the third term is 23 and fourth term T4 is equal to A plus 3D. So A value is 53 plus 3 into D value is 15 minus 15. D value is minus 15. 53 plus into minus minus 53. 15 3 is 45. 53 minus 45 is 8. So T4 is 8. And next T5 is equal to A plus 4D. T5 is equal to A value is 53 plus 4 into D value is 15. D is minus 15. So T5 is equal to 53. 15 4 is a minus 60. So T5 is equal to minus 7. T5 is equal to minus 7. Therefore, the missing terms are first one 53. T1 A is equal to 53 and second one given, they are given 38 and the third one 23. Third one 23 and fourth one 8 and fifth one minus 7. This is your answer. And next fourth main, exercise number 5.2, fourth main. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 so on is 78? So students, see here, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Given that A is equal to 3, D is equal to T2 minus T1, is 5 and Tn is equal to 78. You know the formula, Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D is the formula. So Tn given 78. 78 is equal to A is 3 plus N. We don't know. We have to find the value of N here, and D is 5. So 78 is equal to 3 plus N minus 1, 5, N minus 1 into 5, right, as it is. And 78, this plus 3 moves to left hand side, become minus 3 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3 is 75 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. And here this 5 is moves to left hand side, become a division is equal to N minus 1. 5 ones are 5, 15 are 15 pies are 75. So 15 is equal to N minus 1 and N is equal to 15 plus 1. This minus 1 moves to left hand side, become plus 1. 15 plus 1 is 16. So N is equal to 16. N is equal to 16. So 16th term of AP is 78. 16th term of this AP is 78. And next, fifth one. Find the number of terms in the AP. First one, 7, 13, 19, so on 205. Find the number of terms in the following arithmetic progression. In that, the first example, 7, 13, 19, 205. Since this is in an AP, solution, A is equal to 7, D is equal to T2 minus T1. So T2 is 13 minus T1 is 7. So 13 minus 7 is 6. So D is equal to 6. And the last term is given, Tn is equal to 205. We have to find the value of N. How many terms are there in this AP? Find the value of N. So Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So Tn is given 205. A is also given 7 plus N. Don't know the N. We need to find the value of N. And D is given 6. 205. This 7 moves to left hand side, become minus 7 is equal to N minus 1 into 6. 205 minus 7 is 198 is equal to N minus 1 into 6. Then again this 6 moves to left hand side, become division. 198 divided by 6 is equal to N minus 1. 6 ones are 6 3s are 18. 1 is remainder. Then again it become 18. 6 3s are 18. So 33 is equal to N minus 1 and N is equal to 33 plus 1. So N is equal to 34. Therefore 34 terms are there in this AP. Hence there are 34 terms in the given AP. There are 34 terms in the given AP. The next second one. Second example. 18. 15 whole 1 by 2, 13, so on minus 47. Yes, here solution 18. 15 whole 1 by 2 is nothing but 15 2s are 30 plus 1, 31 by 2, 13, so on minus 47. Given that A is equal to 18 and D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to, so here the denominator is 1, 2 ones are 2 is the LCM, 2 ones are 2, 1 2s are 2, 31 ones are 31, 18 2s are 36. 31 minus 36 is minus 5 by 2 and a last term is given, Tn is equal to minus 47. So we need to find the number of terms in this AP. So the formula, we know that Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D because it is in AP. The given sequence is in AP. So Tn is given minus 47 and A is 18 plus n we don't know. We need to find the value of n, right as it is minus 1, and d is minus 5 by 2. So next, minus 47. This 18 moves to left hand side, become minus 18 is equal to n minus 1 minus 5 by 2, right as it is, and minus 47 minus 18 is minus 65. Minus 65 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. And now this minus 5 by 2 moves to the left hand side, it become a reciprocal. Minus 5 by 2 become minus 2 by 5 is equal to n minus 1. And here a minus minus get cancel, minus into minus plus. So pi 1s are 5, 13s are 65. Pi 1s are pi, 1 is remainder, pi 3s are 15, 13 2s are 26. 26 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 moves to left hand side, become plus 1. N is equal to 26 plus 1, 27. Hence, the number of terms in the given AP is 27. Okay, alright students. Remaining problems I will solve in my next video class. So if you have any queries, please text your queries in the comment box. Thank you very much.